is Andrew E. once again, and I'm gonna do a song that you've never heard before. Yo. And you know what? I know you know this song, baby, from way, way back. So if you all know the song, you know what? You better sing along. Alright?